Not every customer issue is a quick chat. Some need more time, additional details from customers, or collaboration with different teams. That's where tickets come in. Tickets turn conversations into structured work items with statuses, assignees, and custom fields. Tickets live in the same inbox with your conversations, so you can have quick support chats and longer async tickets. They support all of the same inbox features. They can have multi-brand support, you can see all of the customer details, and tickets can even be connected with different integrations such as Linear, Jira, HubSpot, and so on. So when your team updates the status of the issue in Linear, it also updates the ticket status in Featurebase. Now, there are 3 different ticket types: customer tickets, back office tickets, and tracker tickets. Let's go over each one and when to use them. So first, customer tickets are used for longer async issues where customer needs to see the progress, get email updates, and answer any additional details, such as this invoice update request over here, or a data export request, for example, in which case this is a conversation and I can either send a ticket form if I want them to fill in some ticket data, or I can just convert this conversation into a ticket by itself. And the AI fills out already existing information that it can gather, such as the CSV format and any other data. And now I have converted this conversation into a customer ticket. Now, there are different ways customers can see and track their tickets. One way is to have a public ticket portal that's next to your feedback portal, product updates, help center. They can open each ticket, see the status, history, and type any messages. And you can also bring tickets inside your product with the messenger widget. So customers can see the recent tickets. They can open up new tickets straight from the messenger widget and see all of the tickets in a single tab together with their statuses and other info, and also continue the conversation like this. Now, the second type of tickets are back office tickets that are internal for tasks that customers don't necessarily have to see, like escalations. So in this case, a customer has reached out about filling a security form, and I want to escalate it to my legal team. So I create a back office ticket, security review. It will also gather all of the data it can already. As you can see, it detected a questionnaire, and I can submit the ticket. Now I can already assign it manually to the legal person, or I can set up a workflow that this type of ticket always gets assigned to my legal person, and when they update or add a note to this ticket, I can already see that note in this chat as well. So for example, they can give me a heads up that, hey, this is now completed, so I can follow up with the customer. And lastly, there are tracker tickets, which are used to internally track issues that are affecting multiple customers, such as well-known bugs or service outages. So let's say I have 5 customer conversations reporting the same bug. I can connect them all with this tracker ticket. And now when I update the status or send a note, I can update all of the conversations at once. I can also connect tracker tickets to public bug reports from the feedback portal as well. So this conversation is reporting that same bug, just to show you. Since this ticket is from the public portal, I can link that conversation to this tracker ticket. And now we have all 3 conversations linked together with the public submission, which you can see from here. And now when this gets fixed, I can reply to everybody like, hey, first name, this is fixed now, or whatever, and maybe even close all of the conversations at the same time, like this. So now, after I refresh all of these conversations, are closed, as you can see. And lastly, one of the most powerful things with ticketing is that it's already supported in the workflows, so you can create endless possibilities of automations. For example, auto-assign tickets by their type, do different teams, apply SLAs, all of that good stuff by different conditions. So let's say you detect a word security review in the ticket, you can automatically categorize it and route to different teams, for example. Or another powerful automation is, for example, sending forms. So I have created an automation, so when customer comes here and wants to update their subscription with new information, instead of going back and forth with our support agent, we are going to send them a ticket form which they can fill out. We have already defined all of the data that we need, and they submit a ticket, and our support agent has a structured ticket that they can work with, and the customer gets an email update when this is done. So no more losing track of complex issues across conversations. Tickets help your team stay organized and keep your customers in the loop. Try it out today.